Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Nord 2 5G, and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. First, let's go to the screen we want to capture. For example, I'm gonna open the Chrome browser, and now to take a screenshot we can press and hold the power button and volume down button together for a second or two. After a second or two, you'll hear the sound of the screenshot being taken, and also you'll get this pop-up right here on the screen. On this pop-up, we have few options. We have the preview of the screenshot, we have scroll and send. If you tap on the preview of the screenshot, you will enter the editing mode. Basically, if you tap on it right here, and here you can edit your screenshot. You can crop the image, draw on it. You can enter the different editing mode with more options. You can send the screenshot, and also you can delete it. And once you're done editing, you can simply tap on checkmark to save it. Another option right here in this pop-up menu is scroll. Basically, this option allows you to take a scroll screenshot. So if you want to take a screenshot of something that doesn't fit on the screen, so if, for example, if you have a Google page and you can scroll down through it, like here, you can take a screenshot of the whole Google page with this scroll screenshot option. So let's press and hold the power and volume down to take a screenshot, tap on scroll, and now the screen will start scrolling down, as you can see. And once it reaches the bottom of the page, it will stop automatically, but you can also tap on done button to stop it whenever you want, like this. And once you're done, tap the check mark to basically save your screenshot. You can also edit it or send it if you want. Okay. Another way to take a screenshot, or rather we have two another ways to take a screenshot. One is to take place 3 fingers on your phone and drag them to the, oh my bad. Let's exit this, go back to browser. Basically, you put your 3 fingers on your phone on the screen and drag them to the bottom of the screen like this. It will take a screenshot, as you can see. Another way to take a screenshot is to place and hold the 3 fingers on the phone until you see this grayed out area, and then you can drag down the fingers on your screen to select the area of the screen you want to take a screenshot of. Basically, you crop the image without the editing option. For example, I want to take a screenshot of this part of the screen, like this. And then you can tap on the check mark to save. And that's how you take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.